Sir, your stall is here for the Cashew Fest season 3rd. So what do you like to say about your stall?
So we are a restaurant. It's called Casanoni. You can see. So we specialize in Napolitan, proper Italian style pizza, and most of our menu is very near authentic Italian. And we do pastas, handmade pastas, and everything. Right now for the Cashew Festival, we are trying to incorporate cashews in the pasta, and in the pizza. And let's see what the response is.
Sir, pizzas with cashews. What was the more challenging in that?
So basically, see, you have to mold yourself to the country where you're living in, right? Right now in the restaurant we don't serve this, but for the festival exclusively, so that to see the reaction of people and get to know what people feel about it. Because cashew and pizzas usually are not a very you don't see it. So we have done cashew pesto, we have done cashew cream, we have done some candied cashews, some roasted cashews as a topping on the pizzas.
Yesterday was the first day, so how was the response?
Very good, very good. So we did we sold around some 60 pizzas or something. So yeah, 60-70 pizzas. I don't have the exact number as of now, but yes. And everyone who ate it had a very good response. So we got a nice wood, gas-fired stone oven. So we make our pizza a la minute. The base is not pre-cooked. So we spread the dough properly, put the sauce, everything, and then we put it inside the pizzas. Best part is it doesn't take more than 5-6 minutes, and tastes good.
This is the Cashew Fest 3rd season. So all the season you are present, or this is your first time?
Last season and this season. Yeah, this is our second time.
So how much this platform important for you?
This is more about spreading the awareness about the pizzas, because earlier in general in India it was thin crust pizza and only Domino's and Pizza Hut and everything, right? So we are trying to do as authentic as possible. So yeah, Napolitan style, which is fluffier, it's not very crispy like.
Sir, your full name and designation, and how was your experience been managing the staff and yourself?
So myself, I'm Sagar Chandra. I'm the chef, head chef there, and so yeah, most of the menu creation and everything. I do have a corporate chef. We are a larger group. We have another 5-6 restaurants, but not the same. They are all different.
Sir, one additional question I would like to ask. Many of the students go for the higher studying in hotel management. Any of your advice from your experience for the students you willing to give?
Yeah, study is very important so that you know everything, but you have to focus on it, concentrate on what they are trying to teach you, because I see a lot of students who come out of the college, they don't know what has been taught there, or maybe just partial knowledge of it, because most of the hotel management colleges, they teach you everything. They teach you F&B, service, kitchen, and all the other areas of the hotel in general. So if you are focusing only on kitchen, then especially you have kitchen classes, please concentrate, and you have to have a practical knowledge and curiosity to learn.
So your full name and how was your experience being overall working in this industry?
Okay, so full name is Sagar Chandra, and I've been in the industry for almost 13-14 years now. So I have experience working all over India. I've worked mostly in Bombay with very good brands, and Kolkata. I've worked in Goa now. I was for a very short period in Delhi. So yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.